Hi guys. It's easy for food storage containers to be the bane of our lives. You're either looking for missing lids, dealing with cheap plastic that lands your leftovers all over the floor, or wondering how best to store them so they don't take up half your pantry space. Buying a reliable set isn't that difficult though, since Amazon exists. The giant retailer offers a wide array of containers that'll suit just about any purpose, whether you're looking to aesthetically organize your pantry, store leftovers, or reheat lunch at work. The best part is that these containers are vetted by thousands of verified reviews left by loyal Amazon shoppers. So rather than tear your hair out at yet another flimsy set, scroll down for the 10 of the most popular Tupperware and food containers available on Amazon that'll stand up to the test of time. So, let's get started. Number 10 is durable storage for soups, stews, and heavy-duty foods. Sometimes, you have to turn to what the pros use, in this case, these storage containers that many delis and restaurants use for takeout orders. There's a reason why, too. They are durable enough to hold thick foods and liquids like soups and stews, plus the leak-proof lids keep them shut tight. You can label them with markers to easily see what you have stored in each. In addition, the lids are the same for every container. You won't be struggling too much if you lose one. The containers conveniently nest together and are easy to clean, which makes customers come back to them again and again. The next is Number 9. A kid-friendly option that's great for on-the-go. Lunchbot's bento box design is an attractive option for easily storing snacks rather than large meals. The compartmentalized container is easy to grab and go and will hold all the nuts, fruits, and other finger foods that keep you going throughout the day. The easy open top gives quick access, no struggling with super tight lids. That also makes it a great choice for toddlers and children who need snacks for school. The stainless steel ensures durability and power to withstand more than a few accidental falls. What reviewers say, families like that. This is a great size for children. The next is Number 8. Convenient for frozen leftovers. This set from Rubbermaid is popular among Amazon shoppers for its durability, clear design, and ultra-strong leak-proof lids, committed to keeping your food sealed. Great for storing leftovers and prepping meals. The set is splatter-proof so microwaving won't be a mess. They stack easily and come in multiple sizes, further making food storage convenient. What reviewers say, if you're looking for durability, reviewers say this is it. They have been dropped, tipped over and, quite frankly, brutally beaten up by my crew, and I haven't cracked or broken one to date, says one surprised reviewer. Honestly, the best containers I've owned. The next is Number 7. Beeswax wrap to preserve freshness. Passionate about eliminating plastic waste in food storage? If so, beeswax wrap is a great economical alternative to plastic wrap. Unlike disposable cling wrap, beeswax wraps can be reused over and over, and it's antimicrobial, which means your produce will stay fresh. What makes beeswax wraps special is the fact that they're compostable and made with responsibly sourced beeswax, using organic cotton, plant oils, and tree resin. The wraps are washable, flexible, and waterproof, and sealed by the warmth of your hand. The next is Number 6. Perfectly organized storage. If you're the type who would rather not deal at all with the possibility of lids going amiss, Mr. Lid storage containers are the way to go. The set would look quite unassuming if it weren't for one factor that sets it apart from the rest. The lids are permanently attached, meaning you can never lose them. Added bonus, the set's stackability also saves you storage space. Keep in mind that the containers are not freezer safe. What reviewers say, fans gush about the attached lid feature, with one calling it the best thing since sliced bread. A second says, the next is Number 5. An easy, stackable choice for lunches. Easy lunchboxes are designed to make the rather cumbersome task of bringing lunch from home as easy as can be. They're compartmentalized into 4 spacious parts, so you don't need separate containers for different foods, nor will your lunch accidentally blend together. Built to be thick and durable, the containers have easy open lids and are microwave safe. The bright colors will be appealing to kids, though there are clear and muted color options if you prefer something more understated. What reviewers say: most reviewers rave about the durability and ease of packing snacks and lunches. Both the lid and the container are thick and sturdy. The next is Number 4. Eco-friendly and stylish reusable bags. Stasher is a line of aesthetically pleasing reusable storage bags made with food-grade platinum silicone and a patented seal that makes them leak-free. It's a perfect alternative if you're looking to reduce use of single-use plastic zip-top bags. Stasher bags can be used for freezing leftovers, microwaving, and even defrosting meat. According to the brand, one Stasher bag replaces 260 single-use plastic bags every year, helping prevent plastics from entering oceans and landfills. A portion of every sale goes to nonprofits dedicated to protecting our oceans. While they are pricey, you get your money's worth, considering they don't degrade and you can use them over and over. The next is Number 3. Ideal for quantity and affordability, your days of rummaging through cabinets looking for your missing lids are over with these Rubbermaid storage containers. They get you the best bang for your buck, as you receive a whole batch at a low price. The best part is that one lid fits a number of containers, which means you don't have to go digging for a corresponding lid for each bowl. Plus, they go on tightly so your food stays fresh and the lids won't snap off if you happen to drop a container. What reviewers say: fans love the value in comparison to how many they get in the set. The next is Number 2. A classic meal prep option. Pyrex's set is a great alternative to plastic Tupperware. Storage is easy, as the containers nest together. The glass containers are perfect for meal prepping since you can freeze overnight or store ingredients ahead of time. The bright color-coded lids make it easy to keep track of what food each one holds, which lid is for which container, and whether you have any missing. Plus, reusing is a breeze as the containers don't absorb food odors. You won't have to worry about smelling the residue of yesterday's leftovers. The next is Number 1. A tried-and-true option for your pantry. Airtight containers are ideal when it comes to dry food storage and pantry organization. Their rubber seal and tight lids keep everything from cereals to pastas to beans fresh. They are transparent and come with chalkboard labels and markers, allowing you to see what you have at a glance and decide whether you need refills. The stackability makes them space efficient as well, since you can just fit them together, and the assortment of sizes ensures you have variation when it comes to choosing which container is best for certain foods. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.